All right, let's continue here with subtraction. So what does the term borrow mean? So during subtraction, the term borrow means the place value of the minuend is less than the place value of the subtrahend. All right, so introduction to borrowing here, right? Basically, what this is saying is that the minuend value is smaller than the subtrahend. So let's have a little form of organization here, right? So this 0 and this 2 right here. Okay, we're going to subtract it, right? So this 2, it has a bigger value, okay? And this 0 here in the whole number 10, it has a smaller value. Let's go ahead, let's give a little more organization and put these dotted lines here, right? So this 0 is going to borrow from the left column. And on the left column, we currently have a 1, right? This 0 would turn into a 10. Perfect. All right. And we're going to subtract that 10 with this 2, giving us 8, because 10 minus 2 is 8. Then we borrowed from the 1, so the 1 loses 1 place value, which makes it 0, and we bring down the 0. And here we have 8 as the difference. All right. So that's kind of an introduction to borrowing. Okay. Let's go ahead. Let's give you another example here. All right. So we're gonna do 957. All right. We're gonna put 8 right here. All right. 68. All right. So 957 minus 68. Let's form a little more organization here by placing these dotted lines, and this we'll say. Setting up place values here, some form of organization, right? Now, here, let's point out that 7 minus 8, all right? 7 minus 8, all right? So 7 is less than 8, all right? So in that case, what we have to do is we have to turn the 7 into a 17, and now we have 17 minus 8, all right, and that equals 9. Boom, 9. We'll bring it down. So since we made the 7 into a 17, this 5 now becomes a 4, okay, because we had to borrow from the left column here, right? So this 5 becomes a 4, right? But now we have 4 minus 6 in the tens column, right? And once again, the 4 is less than 6. So we're going to have to borrow from the next left column here. This 4 becomes a 14, all right? This 9 becomes an 8, all right? And 14 minus 6 is 8. We place the 8 here, and then we take the 8 in the hundreds column, and we just simply bring it down. And the difference is 889. All right, a nice quick little introduction to borrowing. Borrowing, carrying, they're similar. I'm pretty sure they're just two different words for the same operation there.